Making money blogging is the goal of many bloggers. It can be a difficult task, but it is definitely not impossible. In this video, we will discuss 10 ways that you can make money blogging. Some of these methods are more common than others, but they all have the potential to generate income for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Membership content. If you want to make money blogging, one of the best ways to do it is through membership content. This could be in the form of a paid newsletter, an exclusive blog post series, or even access to a private forum or group. Whatever it is, make sure it's something your audience would be willing to pay for. Making money from membership content is very easy if you have a big enough audience. You'll see this a lot with prominent newspaper brands or longtime bloggers with big audiences. Some of their blog posts may be available to read, but an email membership opt-in form blocks the rest of the article as the article starts to get good, enticing you to sign up. Number 9. Online courses. If you have something valuable to share with the world, why not create an online course? You can promote your course on your blog and generate income from students who sign up. Plus, creating a course is a great way to build your credibility as an expert in your field. To get started, check out platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can also take a look at other courses in your niche, either free or paid, to compile the best content and minimize the weaknesses of competitors. So be sure to look at competitor course reviews to help you determine what kind of content people really want to see in a course. Number 8. Ebooks. If you're an expert on something, you can write an ebook and sell it on Amazon. This is a great way to passive income because once it's published, it will continue to generate sales. And, you can always create more ebooks if you have other ideas or topics that you want to write about. There are a few different ways to format your ebook, so be sure to do some research on that before you get started. But, if you're not an expert on something, don't worry. You can always hire a ghostwriter to help you write your ebook. This is a great option if you want to create an easy passive income. When it comes to writing an ebook, you don't necessarily need to create it on a topic from scratch. To save time, you could always take the most popular blog topics and order them in a way that makes sense. Most blog readers don't have time to dig through every blog post. So don't be afraid to take the content you've already created and repurpose it into a different method. Number 7. Brand partnerships. One of the most popular ways to make money blogging is through brand partnerships. This involves working with a company or brands to promote their products or services on your blog. These can be in the form of sponsored posts, reviews, giveaways, and more. To find brand partnership opportunities, you can reach out to companies directly or work with a marketing agency that specializes in connecting bloggers with brands. Bloggers with large followings can also sometimes negotiate higher rates for these partnerships. If you're just starting out, don't be discouraged. There are still plenty of opportunities out there for you to get started with brand partnerships. Number 6. Online advertising. Advertising is another way to make money from your blog. You can sell ad space on your site, or work with advertising networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine. If you work with advertising networks, you'll need to have a good amount of traffic to your site. Google AdSense, for example, won't approve your account unless you have at least 100,000 page views per month. But if you do have enough traffic, advertising can be a great way to monetize your blog. Number 5. Freelance writing. One of the best ways to make money blogging is to use your blog as a platform to pitch your freelance writing services. If you're a good writer and you enjoy writing, this can be a great way to earn some extra income. There are a number of different ways to go about it, but one of the simplest is to create a "Hire Me" page on your blog where you list your rates and services. Then, you can contact businesses and individuals directly to see if they're interested in hiring you. Another option is to sign up for a site like Upwork or Freelancer, where you can bid on writing jobs. A blogger may use his or her own blog as a portfolio for new clients. In this case, your blog content might be around your area of expertise. You might also have a portfolio in your navigation that showcases all the blog content you've written for other clients. This can be a great way to get some really good active income with your writing skills. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money blogging. You can find products to promote and then earn a commission on every sale you make. There are many affiliate programs available, so be sure to do your research before choosing one. To get started with affiliate marketing, all you need to do is sign up for an account with an affiliate program and start promoting products. When it comes to making money blogging, affiliate marketing is a great option. Number 3. Create a t-shirt business. You can create a t-shirt business and make money blogging by promoting your designs on your blog and social media channels. You can also sell your t-shirts on online marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. If you're creative and have a unique sense of style, this could be a great way to make money blogging for you. To get started, you'll need to create some designs and then find a printer. Once you have your designs in your printer, you can start promoting your t-shirts on your blog and social media channels. Also, you can use print-on-demand service if you don't want to print t-shirts yourself. The print-on-demand company will charge you a small fee for the cost and they will handle the whole process. By searching for print-on-demand companies, you'll find a range of vendors that allow you to add your own text and designs to products. Like the drop shipping model, you only pay for products that have been ordered by your customers. And so after your design is complete, you can literally start selling your own t-shirt the same day. Number 2. Drop shipping. This is a process whereby you sell products on your blog, and when an order comes in, you contact the supplier who then ships the product directly to your customer. Drop shipping allows you to start an online business with very little upfront investment, and it's a great way to make money blogging. To get started with drop shipping, you can sign up for a free trial with Shopify. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform and it's what we use here at Fit Small Business to run our online stores. With Shopify, you can start a 14-day free trial which gives you access to all the features of the platform. The magic of drop shipping lies in your ability to sell products without having to buy bulk inventory, so you only buy what you've already sold. And with your website already set up, you can add hundreds of products. Number 1. Sponsored posts. Another way to make money blogging is through sponsored content. This is when a brand pays you to write a post or create some kind of content that promotes their product or service. It's important to only take on sponsorships from brands that you actually believe in, and that your audience would also find value in. There are a few different ways to approach sponsorships. You can either reach out to brands proactively, or wait for them to come to you. If you have a large and engaged following, chances are companies will be reaching out to you anyways. But if you're just starting out, it never hurts to take the initiative and reach out to brands yourself. The key with sponsored content is to be transparent with your audience. Let them know when a post is sponsored, and make sure the content itself is valuable and informative. You can promote your sponsored posts by having a pricing list available on your website on your contact page. In the beginning, though, you might choose to do some outreach to local businesses and ask them if they'd be interested in a sponsored post on your blog. Those are the top 10 ways to make money blogging. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.